So I'm delighted to announce today that we've taken an additional $25 million of funding from some fantastic investors. This round was led by Index Ventures, one of the best venture firms in the world. This is a massive moment for Wordsmith, not just for our team, not just for our companies that are using us and our customers, but also for me personally. I, over 10 years ago, qualified as a lawyer. I practiced law. I felt firsthand the pain of copy-paste, the time even working with multiple prints of paper for every letter I was sending. I retrained pretty quickly into becoming a software engineer, and ultimately over the years moved up through that profession until I was the CTO at several billion-dollar companies running hundreds of engineers. What I saw was two worlds, one that was focused on precision and accuracy and giving very considered, precise advice. And the other was a group of people that had learned how to scale themselves almost infinitely, packaging up their logic and their intelligence into systems and tools that could go anywhere and everywhere. What we believe is happening today in the legal profession is a huge shift in how lawyers are going to work in the future. Lawyers are going to have the capability to have outsized impact as they move into what we believe is going to be a legal engineering role. This is going to allow people to take core roles and core tools from drafting, from reviewing, from researching, packaging them up into agents, using them themselves, or deploying them to perform roles across organizations and having impact that previously would have actually been impractical or impossible for them to have. If you think back on the evolution of the legal profession for the last 50 years, you go back pre-internet, pre-word processor, pre-copy-paste, pre-e-signature, you actually will see that the number of per capita lawyers was about a third of what it is today. And each time we go through these inflection points, each time you add gearing to a lawyer, you find that the number goes up. The reason for that is law is a bit like mobile internet. The more accessible and the more available you make that guidance and that intelligence, the more that people want it. We think this is just another step on that journey, a big step, but another step altogether. And we're very excited to be part of helping to facilitate that change. Some of the incredible brands that we work with, from Deliveroo to Trustpilot to Remote to Virgin, all of these progressive in-house legal teams are learning how to augment their way of working, of retooling and retraining their teams into thinking about how they can package up their intelligence and deploy it at scale across their business. And Wordsmith and our mission to train a generation of AI legal engineers, we think can be a key part of helping that transition to take place. So thank you very much for joining us on the journey so far. This is just the beginning. We are just getting started, and I cannot wait to see what we can all build together.